Let's talk about creating arrows here. CorelDRAW is really good in creating like directional signs, outdoor indoor signage, and we always use arrows for direction signs. So we're going to learn how to create arrows, and actually you don't need to create the arrows because the arrows is already in here. And if you go here, and the second one is arrows and shapes. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this ones first, and we'll start by clicking on the arrows and shapes, and then go to the property bar here, and of course you can always change the thickness of the arrows, I mean the outline. Okay, to do that, well, let's just leave it to 0.5. Then you can also make the outline dashed or solid. Now just keep on solid. Okay, now in here there's a drop down here, and then you would see these are the kinds of arrows that you can create. Okay, so the simple one, let's say the first one would be click and drag, and that's an arrow. Okay, and I'll just make that gray. Okay, so that you can see that. Now again, there's this red icon showing up. If you go there, and then you can adjust the arrow. Okay, you can adjust the arrow if you want it pointed, or you want it, so basically you can change the shape of the arrow. Now there's lots of arrows. Once again, click on that and go here, and let's try this one here. So this one, click and drag. Okay, and then if you want to make the arrow point to the left, you just click here and then move it that way. It's like mirroring the arrow. So make that blue, and in here you also get this red icon there, and you can reshape the arrow. Right? It's a very handy tool. Now let's go to other arrows here. Let's say we go this one, 2 arrows, click and drag. Okay, and you notice that red icon is there again. Okay, and you can reshape that. Okay, the yellow icon is there too. That's for this one, to make it thinner. Just make that here, and then the red is for the arrow, and this one is okay. So anyway, you can explore those arrows in that arrow shapes. Let's pick another arrow, which is okay. I think this one here, this one looks interesting. So once again, we can reshape the arrow by clicking on that icon here, there, and we can also click on the yellow there. So explore on those options for the arrows.